This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place the chocks each side of the rear wheel. Pull off the plastic caps from the right-hand front wheel bolts. Slacken each wheel bolt half a turn. Position a workshop jack under the reinforced section of the sill and raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle by positioning an axle stand beneath the front subframe rear mounting point. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. The wheel arch liner is secured by several fasteners. Prise out the centre pins and remove the plastic expansion rivets. On some fasteners, push in the centre pins, then prise them from place. With all the fasteners removed, unclip the liner from the inside edge of the wheel arch, then manoeuvre it from place, taking care not to damage the brake pipe or wiring loom. Rotate the crankshaft so that the entire length of the drive belt can be checked for cracks, splitting, fraying or damage. It's not unusual for a ribbed belt to exhibit small cracks in the edges of the belt ribs, and unless these are extensive or very deep, belt renewal is not essential. If the drive belt is to be refitted, mark the direction of rotation. Move the tensioner pulley anti-clockwise and remove the belt from the pulleys. The tensioner bolt has a left-hand thread, so it will not slacken when releasing the tension of the belt. Fit the drive belt around the pulleys in the following order: secondary air injection pump pulley, idler pulley, alternator, air conditioning compressor where fitted, crankshaft, and automatic tensioner pulley. If the original belt is being refitted, use the direction mark made on removal to ensure it's fitted the correct way round. Check that the belt sits correctly in the pulley grooves. Manoeuvre the liner into place in the wheel arch. Ensure it locates correctly on the inside of the wheel arch edge, around the brake pipe and wiring loom. Pull out the centre pins, refit the fasteners, then press the pins to lock the fasteners in place. Refit the wheel. Insert and lightly tighten the wheel bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Working in a diagonal sequence, tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the plastic caps and remove the wheel chocks.